So we want to create the first knot that will start everything, and it's called the slip knot. And so people have different ways of doing it. I'll show you the way my mom showed me, and maybe you'll like it too. So you're going to point your finger with the yarn going towards the yarn ball, and you want to come up and point your finger and come up on the inside of your hand, up over top and around like this. So it's wrapped a total of 2 times. Okay, so point, come on the inside of your hand and wrap twice. Open up your hand and just hold the 2 strands like that. You're going to want to move this strand over top of this one, but not off your finger. So just move up over. And now take this one right here and bring it right up over top of your finger. And this is called a slip knot. This is what will start your particular project. So to recap, you're going to wrap twice and pinch. This over the top of the first, and then the new back goes up and over. And you can either just remove your finger or you can slide in your Afghan hook just like that. And this is called the slip knot.